there, how is everybody doing today? I did a short with this truck, and one of the shots, it seemed to do pretty good. This has got a 4,000 kV brushless motor. It has a radio system that uses a gyro in it now. It is set up for obviously 3S. I have a little small track here at my house, and if you saw the size of the track, it's maybe 50 by 80 feet. This truck was easily doing 30 miles an hour at that. So I'll get back with you after this. Currently it has, I got a dog barking, I apologize. Currently it has the composite drive shaft, goes from front to back. I have a metal drive shaft coming for it and also when I was doing 30 mile an hour, it had a 13 tooth pinion in it on that motor setup with a slipper that's in it. It's got a center diff in it. And it had a 13 tooth. Now it runs a 21 tooth. I haven't ran it yet. And if you noticed, there's been a tire change. These are the original tires that come on the truck. This was the Traxxas BL2S setup. Different body. I ordered up a second body. This was a Fox bodied one. It's a fun truck. I did change a few things on it because I got some plans this summer for it. And you can see right there, you can see how it sits. I went through, I put 70 weight oil in the shocks and stuff like that, because what I'm going to do, well, the video I'm going to do, it's going to do a lot of jumping in that. So I want to make sure it was good, and that's the reason I'm going to leave these tires on it for that video, because they got a little more aggressive than the racing type tires I had on it. So without going too much further into it, we will. Let's get the body off. There's no body pins. Just like that. We pop it off. And the first thing you're going to see is not much. This dust cover I put on it, when I first got this truck, you'd run it and it would fill up with gravel and sand and dirt. The chassis would. And I ordered this up, and didn't pay much for it. And it works. And you can take it off if you want to clean it. See there, and you just pull off. You just got to pull the antenna piece off. But right here, this is from Grupak. I ordered this a while back. I had it in the truck and I took it back out because it was overheating too much. Well, I didn't have the proper pinion on it, for one thing. You know, and I in my short, I showed the cooling setup. You can see the motors right there, the brushless system. It's got two 8,000 RPM fans. They just scream when it runs. Then I'm running a 25 kilogram steering servo. But this setup inside here, the receiver has a gyro system. So there's a gyro that helps the front end. You can tell this is a BL2S as well. See all the blue components on the arms and up here where the shocks are, and all that, and the support for the shock here. You know, this is the BL2S. It has the heavier, obviously the heavier drive shafts. You can see from the back and all that. And these are standard drive shafts. They work good. It runs Revo differentials in it too. This comes with the Revo diffs in it. But I'm just waiting for the weather to turn and the ground to get clear, and then I'll run this. At first I'm probably going to run it on a 2S just to get used to it again. 3S, this thing is just a beast. It'll wheelie going on my little track here. I just hit a little bump and it'll literally carry the front end. So it's quite fast. I'm gonna say it's gonna be in the 60 some mile an hour range. I have a drag slash as well, if you've seen my videos, so at least a 60 mile an hour, maybe higher than that. I'll only go someplace where I can really open it up and we'll find out. But yeah, it's the most it's going to be in is a 3S LiPo. I'm not going to, that's what all this, and this has got a 60 amp ESC with a built-in cooling fan, and I might stack, pull this off, and I might stack another fan up here. It does create a little bit of heat when you run it, so, and that the thing was I didn't have the gearing correct on it. I was running a 13 and I went to a smaller spur gear. Well, I kept wondering when I was tearing up spur gears, well, my gear mesh was bad. Now you look at it, you hear it, you don't hear that. See how smooth it sounds? I put a 21 tooth, and this truck was supposed to have a 17 on it with that pinion, and I put a 21 on it because I know with a 17 it had a way load of bite and takeoff power. So, but right here it is. Like I said, 70 weight shock oil all the way around. I did change out the rear springs. You notice that. I'm just trying these. These were set springs I had. I know these run the dual rate springs, but I just put these on there to try it. I still have their stock springs, and I was able to use one clip. I did, like I said, change the shock oil, 70 weight all the way around. So, but anyway, thanks for listening in, and we'll get into more of this truck when we get to where we can run it at some point. So, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch y'all later. See you on the next video. Bye bye for now. And here we go.